338 days ago, another war started, not in Ukraine, but in Israel, and it's still going on. There's no peace in that area, and yeah, all those poor people in Gaza are suffering. Yes. All right, welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Monday, September the 9th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. In this newspaper, we have also an additional. Let me show you the additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles are 7 extra puzzles: letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve. Nope, not half. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. First one is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 9238. 9238. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 26. Yeah, this one has 26. Not 25. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But the publisher has indicated with 3 stars, a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 2 stars or 3 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Alright. 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and a 9. We have 6 and a 9 in this row, so no 6 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. 6 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes at there. Then okay. Then 1. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers, the 1 and the 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this middle column, so no 1 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 9, 1 and a 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Right. Okay. Then the 9 here. 2, 5, 8. We have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column. For numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 7 in the 3rd row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 in this row, 3rd row, 3 in the 2nd row. So the 1st row, the only 2 places left, the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this column. For numbers, the 1, 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have an 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. No 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the third row for the numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this first column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. Alright. 7. And then let me see. Which number can I pick? How about a 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column? So in the first column, only 2 places left. The 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 6, 6, 1, 1. Come on. We have a 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column. No 9 there. 9 in the first column. No 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Alright. We have a pair. The 1 and the 3 in the last row. The 1 and the 3 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 in the column next, no 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 3. How about the number 4? 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. On the last column. Now only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. Oh, wait. 7. Yeah, in the first column, we need a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the last row, so no 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. So the only place left is 7 in the first column should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1. Well. Need an 8 here. Need a 7 there. 8, 7, and the 2. Need 2. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in this column is number 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, or there. Here, or there. We see another 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 in that row, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this column. Should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 2 numbers left now in this column. 4 numbers: the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left with 6 should be there. 1 box left now in this row for number 1. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column 3. No, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Yeah, cannot continue with 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 1 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and 7, 5 and 7. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 7 goes there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the first column, so the column 3. Second column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 5. Then let me see. About the 9, and all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 9. Okay. Well. 6. 1 box left now in the second column for number 1. The 2 is missing here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 now in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, 15 to 20 minutes. No, it's not the 2 stars, not the 3 stars. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 30 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.